March Madness Day 27. We're going to look at the Classic Pilates exercise side bend lift. And here are 3 different ways, or 2 different ways, and the full exercise that you can practice until you can do this really, really well. The most important thing here is that you do bring your shoulder over your hand. So your hand does have to be slightly away from you so that as you come up, you can move your body over it. The muscles that are going to support you are these muscles underneath your armpit and in your waist. So let's get those working first. So first of all, just keeping the knees bent, you're going to exhale as you push up onto your lower legs, and you're just going to come up, and then you're going to slowly come back down. Yeah. So just pushing up, sliding that armpit down. So I always like to think of, imagine you pushing yourself up out of a pool. You really want to pull down underneath those armpits to activate those muscles and then come back down. Now we can add the arm in, and then we can go into our side bend. So we're going to come up, and then as the arm goes over, you're going to open the windows of your ribs, and then you're going to come back down. Good. And again, pushing up and going over. Lovely. And coming back. Now you can gradually start loading and progressing that. Take one leg out. So you're going to push the side of your foot down, and you're going to do exactly the same thing. So exhale as you come up and over, and then slowly bring yourself back down. And again, slowly come up and over. Good. And coming back down. And then if you're feeling strong enough, you've done this for long enough, remember you can stage this gradually. You're going to take the 2 feet, knees bent, and now you're going to straighten your legs as you push up, and you're going to go up and over, doing that beautiful side bend, and then slowly bring yourself down. Good. One more time, coming up and over so you can see the shape, making a beautiful side bend, and then coming back down. And that was the end of the side bend lift.